3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If Marvel Rivals is not launching on your PC, there are several steps you can try to fix the issue. First, open the game properties by right-clicking the game icon and selecting the settings. In the launch options, try entering DX11 and launch the game to see if it works. If not, close the game completely and enter DX12 or DX11 one after the other, relaunching each time to test. If the issue persists, remove the launch option and uncheck the Steam overlay while in-games option in the game properties. Disable Discord overlay by navigating to Discord settings, disabling the overlay and restarting your PC. If the game still doesn't launch, verify the integrity of the game files through Steam. If the problem remains, locate the game's launcher or executable file via the Browse option. Open its properties and navigate to the compatibility tab. Enable the run this program as an administrator option and disable foreign link optimizations. If needed, set compatibility mode to Windows 8, apply the settings and test again. Finally, ensure your Windows system and graphics drivers are updated to their latest versions, restart your PC and try launching the game once more. Following these steps should help resolve the issue.